ahead and pull out your Disney workbook and turn to page 179. 179. If you are not on that page yet, then you need to pause the video so that you can get on that page. All right, let's look at our day here. This is counting the days. Woody is interested in the calendar on Andy's wall. Arrange these in order from shortest to longest. Month, week, year, day. Which one is the shortest? Which one is the shortest? Yes, day. A day is only one day. Which one is the next shortest? Yep, a week. A week is only 7 days. Keep going and write the rest. How many months are in 1 year? How many months are in a year? How many days are in 1 week? How many days are in 1 week? Down here it says some months have 31 days, some months have 30 days. February has 28 days, except every 4 years it has 29. Come over here. We're going to make a September calendar. Go ahead and write September. September 1st. Let me look at my little calendar down here. September 1st. Don't write it here on Sunday because that was not September 1st. September 1st was a Tuesday. First. That means the next day was Wednesday, September 2nd. Thursday, September 3rd. Friday, September 4th. Remember, in ordinal numbers, first, second, third have those letters. S-T, N-D, R-D. But the rest of them have the T-H. So now you can keep writing the T-H. Go ahead and fill out the calendar. This was the first day of school, remember? Tuesday, September 8th was the first day of school. Then the directions say, put a star on today's date. And tell me how many days until the end of the month. So you have to keep writing your numbers until you get to the 16th. And then starting at the 16th, then you count how many days until the end of the month. You can watch the video again if you need more directions.